Hello. Today we are going to talk about the next part of array, and that is called a string. It is also an array because it contains a sequence of characters. So what is a string? Collection of characters, or maybe the numbers, or maybe the non-numbers there, or other characters. So that is called a string. And in QBasic, usually strings, they are the variables, and whenever we use strings, then actually we have to end it in the variables with the dollar symbol, like the name, city, etc. So there are some functions we have to use in that QBasic, like len to find the length, left to take some characters on the left side, right to take some characters and characters on the right side, mid from the middle part of the string, starting and the total characters we want to extract. Ucase means to convert into uppercase, lowercase, and many others there. So let's see an example actually how to use a string in our program. First, let's see one input. Let's save it. Let's run it. So asking for the input, Ram, Raj, sister, enter. So we can say here is a Ram, Raj, sister, yes or no, and here is we are having some gap, and it is because of this comma. If we use that semicolon, it will not be there. Let's use that. Let's rerun the program. So look here is the output. Yes, Ramdas Sesta. So it's very simple program in which we have done input for the string. And one thing, okay, let's see that one example in which we are going to use library functions related to a string. And here we are assuming that one string constant, and that is Kathmandu. So we are taking two characters on the left side. Now let's copy this one for some other functions. From the middle part, so we use here MID. From which location? Second. And how many characters? 2 characters. That's all. So these are the very important functions most we use there. and there are some other functions too we are not using here. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is the output. We can say here from left that is K, from the right du, and from the middle part that is 2 means Ka, that is second location. How many characters? 2, that is 80. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how we get the output, and these are the functions, and there are some other functions too here, like we can also see the ucase, lcase, then character for the ASCII, ASC for the ASCII code. Yes or no? Yes. So this shows over the string, and string also can be considered an array in your program. Okay, thank you. So join me and just give the subscribe, subscribe if you like the video.